In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a voucher on Amazon. Whether you're new to Amazon or just need a refresher, this guide will help you get the most from your voucher without any hassle. Let's start with the first step, redeeming your voucher. You'll find your voucher code when NAS, which is typically an alphanumeric string, either printed on your voucher or securely tucked away in an email sent to you. With this code in hand, head over to Amazon's website or open the Amazon app on your device. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate over to the gift cards section. On the app, you might first have to tap on Amazon Pay and then select gift cards. Now it's time to redeem your voucher. Input that voucher code carefully in the designated area and click Apply to your balance. Voila, the value of your voucher will be promptly added to your Amazon Pay balance. To ensure everything worked out seamlessly, I suggest checking your balance to make sure the amount reflects your voucher's value. With your voucher redeemed, it's time to make some purchases. Start by adding the items you wish to buy to your cart. Peruse Amazon's vast array of products and select those special items that you've been eyeing for a while. After making your selections, proceed to the checkout page where all the magic comes together. As you proceed to checkout, you'll arrive at the payment page, and this is where you'll want to choose Amazon Pay as your payment method. By doing so, your available Amazon Pay balance, inclusive of that recently redeemed voucher amount, will automatically be allocated to cover your order's cost. Keep in mind, if your voucher balance is less than the total cost of your order, you'll need to pay the remaining amount using another payment method. Options include using a credit or debit card, among others. This straightforward process ensures that you never miss out on using every last penny of your voucher. Remember, using vouchers is a great way to manage your expenses and get the most bang for your buck, especially during sales or when buying that long-coveted product on your wish list. That's it. Now you know how to seamlessly redeem and use a voucher on Amazon, opening up a world of shopping convenience right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!